Everything needs a solid foundation. Friendships, careers, even cars. But an often overlooked and equally important foundation in your life is the one supporting your home.
So the importance of a foundation to the home is it's the base upon which the habitat portion of the home is built. It's also what the plumbing passes through into the home. So it's incredibly important that it's well built and sturdy.
So things that people can look at, they can look for cracks in the brick, cracks in the tile.
You drop a marble and it rolls to the other side of the room from a standing stop. It's a good indication that your foundation's moved.
When it comes to your home's foundation, both the environment and construction can play a part in any potential issue.
Homeowners love to spruce up their yard. They like to change plants. They like to change drainage. Trees suck about 100 gallons of water a day out of the soil. And so what can happen is it dries out that soil and causes the foundation to deflect towards the tree. What's that saying you always say?
Oh, long after the sweet taste of low price has passed, the bitterness of poor quality will remain.
Yeah.
A lot of the houses up here have cast iron pipes still underneath the slabs, and they typically only last about 30 years underground. So over time, they just deteriorate and need to be replaced.
For Perma-Pier, it is about the science. It's about understanding why your foundation was harmed and the soils beneath where your foundation sits.
Our solutions are based on science. We have a rational method that we go through our training and through our collective knowledge over the last 20 years.
Those are all things that somebody that is service-based and solutions-based, based on scientific or knowable data, like we are, will use in determining what, if anything, needs to be done.
Our second home, one of the windows weren't opening, so we called Perma-Pier out. Went around the house, he said, you know, I could sell you 6 pier and beams, but if you'll get rid of that tree at the corner of your house, that will solve all your foundation issues. I know in our bakery, we have a Buttermilk Sky Pie in Mansfield and a Nothing But Cakes franchise in Burleson, that reviews are huge and customer service is paramount.
We want to make sure that the customer is completely satisfied 100%. So our customers are well educated about what's going to happen when they get to their home, what our plumbers are doing, and actually what happened during the repair.
So the reason why we are as affordable as we are is because we don't subcontract our work. All of our work is done in-house.
For homeowners, it's a scary process, right? People are afraid naturally of what they don't understand. And when you're, in this sea of foundation repair companies that don't have to be licensed, it can kind of get scary. I want to do business with somebody that understands what my issue is, and they can clearly understand what the problem is and explain it to me in a way that makes sense.
From a small crack in the front steps to feeling like the floor is sinking, a reputable foundation repair company can help you protect your home and save you from long-term drain on your finances. For more information on Perma-Pier, visit their website, permapier.com, or see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.